What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a little bit different of a project today. So my current home network is a little bit scuffed. We are going to get this upgraded. Alright, so we've got a bit of a rat's nest here. I don't know if I can move this. Whoops. Off those. Oh goodness. Alright class, do as I say, not as I do. We got this taken down. Let's go ahead and remove this shelf. Okay. Let's go ahead and grab the new rack and get it sized up and put in. So this is the new rack. And it's gonna go in here right about there. Alright, so that's installed. I've got a power supply here. So what this does is gives me surge protected power, but it rack mounts nicely. So this will go right here, just like that. I don't have any rack mount screws for mounting the power supply, but I do have the rack mount hardware for the switch. So we're gonna go ahead and get that installed at least and go from there. As you can see here, we got the mounting hardware all hooked up and we are ready to go mounted in here. I don't think I can get it up here because of this stupid cross brace. Though I could flip that cross brace and then I can fit it all the way at the top. I like that idea. This is when a low profile ratchet screwdriver thing would be handy. Now we flip this over and screw back in. As you can see now, we can actually access this full slot. This is only mostly sketchy. Don't do this like this at home, guys. Oh, come on. Oh. Okay. We're getting there. Oh. This is an exceedingly dumb way of doing this. You should definitely just disconnect your network. Okay. Alright, so I got the network switch installed, but I can't install the rest of the hardware yet because I don't have the bolts that go to these captive nuts to install the other hardware. So, ordered some of those. Those are gonna get overnighted and we will pick this up here in the morning. Alright, welcome back everyone. So, through the magic of overnight shipping, we've got some more Cat 6 connectors, and we got some of these things called rack studs. So these little plastic things, you get these little plastic studs and they snap in, right? But since they're spring loaded, they would just pop back out. So you get these special washers that have these little teeth in them. You slide this on and those teeth sit down into that gap. So now it can't come out, and then you get a screw, bolt, screw, cap, and these screw on. So now you have a toolless way of mounting your gear without having to futz with these stupid captive nuts. I apologize for the washing machine sounds in the background. Chores stop for nobody, especially for my little video projects here. So theoretically, this shelf is supposed to go this way, I think, because that way everything stays on it. But I'm not going to because I need the space and I'm not putting anything heavy on this. So I'm just gonna mount it upside down anyway. If I end up regretting this later, well, yeah, you live and you learn. Yeah, those are fantastic. I don't think I'll ever use captive nuts again. Take a power supply. If I'm not careful, I'm going to end up with one of these nuts in my coffee. And that's going to be really exciting. Let's go ahead and just plug this in. Cool. Alright, so went ahead and made some patch cables. These are just made from bulk Cat 6 line and some connectors. So let's go ahead and swap out all these mismatched patch cables. Look at that, that is so much tidier. So now, let's grab a couple of these cable clips. These things are amazing. You can get them off of Amazon real cheap. And they come in like a million different styles. They just come with little pieces of VHB tape. And you just take those, and you stick them up under here, and you manage your cables. Alrighty, we got the project all done. As you can see, it is a lot cleaner and tidier than it used to be. We've got our power supply surge protector, patch panel for future expansion. Got all of our cables ran nice and tidy. Don't have anything just like hanging down in this mess down below. So overall, not too hard of a project. Definitely learned a few things. I will use these rack studs for every project in the future. They are amazing. Thanks again, Scott, for all the networking gear. I appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed the video, everybody, and hope you learned something. I may do a video in the future on how to make these cables, since I didn't really go into that detail in this video. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we will see you on the next project. Goodbye.